Learn English to Gujarati verbs. Help, explain, show, ask, answer, repeat, understand, and
अर्थ होवो.
welcome to Verb Village. Hey, you are about to meet 8 very useful Gujarati verbs, and yes, they are more dramatic than some TV families. Relax, listen, and say the Gujarati words out loud with me. In today's chapter, you will learn how to say help,
મદદ કરવી.
explain,
સમજાવવું.
show,
બતાવવું.
ask,
પૂછવું.
answer,
જવાબ આપવો.
repeat,
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
understand,
સમજવું.
and mean.
અર્થ હોવો.
These are the superhero verbs of conversation. Without them, every chat becomes a confused potato. Meet the heroes. Let's meet the verbs one by one. Imagine them entering with capes, theme music, and a totally unnecessary smoke machine. First comes help.
મદદ કરવી.
Imagine a giant friendly hand appearing when your brain drops all its books. Can you help me? Becomes your survival phrase. Next is explain.
સમજાવવું.
This is the verb that turns fog into a window. When something is confusing, you need someone to.
સમજાવવું.
Then we have show.
બતાવવું.
Not just tell, but show. Point, present, reveal, dramatically uncover the snack drawer. Now ask.
પૂછવું.
If you never.
પૂછવું.
You may spend 20 minutes in the wrong bus line smiling politely. Then answer.
જવાબ આપવો.
Someone asks, you reply. Verbal ping pong achieved. Repeat is.
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
Yes, it is longer. Yes, it sounds important. Yes, it basically means, again, please, because my brain was on vacation. Understand is.
સમજવું.
This is the sweet moment when the light bulb finally turns on and says, oh. And finally, to mean is.
અર્થ હોવો.
This is the detective verb. What does this word?
અર્થ હોવો.
What does that sign mean? Why does my cat look philosophical? A very confused classroom. Now let's put all the verbs into a funny little story. You just sit back and catch them as they fly by. You walk into a Gujarati class 2 minutes late, holding a notebook, a pen, and the expression of a person who has already forgotten everything. The teacher smiles and says something fast. You blink like a surprised owl and say, can you?
સમજાવવું.
That? The teacher nods and begins to.
બતાવવું.
The lesson on the board. You still look confused, so your classmate leans over to.
મદદ કરવી.
You decide to.
પૂછવું.
A brave question. What does this word?
અર્થ હોવો.
The teacher smiles again, because teachers survive on questions and tea, and gives a clear.
જવાબ આપવો.
Then the teacher says, please.
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
The word. You repeat it. Suddenly, miracle of miracles, you.
સમજવું.
At this point, even your notebook looks proud of you. Speak after me. Time for a gentle drill. Say each Gujarati verb after the pause like you mean business, or at least like you had enough coffee. Help.
મદદ કરવી.
Explain.
સમજાવવું.
Show.
બતાવવું.
Ask.
પૂછવું.
Answer.
જવાબ આપવો.
Repeat.
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
Understand.
સમજવું.
Mean.
અર્થ હોવો.
Mini dialogues. Here come short dialogues you can actually imagine using. They are tiny, practical, and less dangerous than trying to learn while hungry. A. Can you help me? B. Yes, I can.
મદદ કરવી.
A. I do not understand. B. I will.
સમજાવવું.
It slowly. A. Can you show me the way? B. Yes, I will.
બતાવવું.
A. I have a question. B. Please.
પૂછવું.
A. Can you answer? B. Yes, I can.
જવાબ આપવો.
A. Sorry, say it again. B. Of course, I will.
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
A. Do you understand now? B. Yes, now I.
સમજવું.
A. What does this word mean? B. It's.
અર્થ હોવો.
Is clear now. Memory tricks that behave badly. Let's make the words stick with silly images. Your memory loves drama, nonsense, and weird details, so we are giving it all 3. 4.
મદદ કરવી.
Imagine 10 superheroes rushing to help one tiny ant carry a potato chip. 4.
સમજાવવું.
Picture a wise parrot in glasses explaining algebra like it pays taxes. 4.
બતાવવું.
Imagine a cat in front of a whiteboard trying to show a pie chart about fish. 4.
પૂછવું.
Imagine a giant floating question mark following you around saying, just ask. I dare you. 4.
જવાબ આપવો.
Picture a talking fridge that asks a question and waits for your answer before opening. 4.
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
Imagine an echo in a cave that is honestly a little too committed to repetition. 4.
સમજવું.
See a light bulb pop on above your head and then give you a small approving nod. 4.
અર્થ હોવો.
Imagine every road sign in the city whispering its meaning like a dramatic secret. Quick quiz time. No stress. This is just a friendly quiz, not a school ambush. Answer in your head or out loud. What is the Gujarati word for help?
મદદ કરવી.
What is the Gujarati word for explain?
સમજાવવું.
What is the Gujarati word for show?
બતાવવું.
What is the Gujarati word for ask?
પૂછવું.
What is the Gujarati phrase for answer?
જવાબ આપવો.
What is the Gujarati phrase for repeat?
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
What is the Gujarati word for understand?
સમજવું.
How do you say to mean in Gujarati?
અર્થ હોવો.
Your tiny challenge. Now you try a mini mission. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress with a cheerful face. Say, can you?
મદદ કરવી.
Me? Say, please.
સમજાવવું.
This. Say, can you?
બતાવવું.
Me the way? Say, I want to.
પૂછવું.
A question. Say, please.
જવાબ આપવો.
Single quote. Say, please.
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
Single quote. Say, now I.
સમજવું.
Single quote. Say, what does this?
અર્થ હોવો.
Single quote. Good job, language hero. You made it through the chapter, and your brain deserves a round of applause and maybe a snack. Thanks for learning with me today. Today you practiced help.
મદદ કરવી.
Explain.
સમજાવવું.
Show.
બતાવવું.
Ask.
પૂછવું.
Answer.
જવાબ આપવો.
Repeat.
પુનરાવર્તન કરવું.
Understand.
સમજવું.
And mean.
અર્થ હોવો.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words again tomorrow, and trust yourself. Little by little, you really will.
સમજવું.
More and more Gujarati.